The ONEXPLAYER Mini series, which debuted as an Intel Core i7-1195 G7 powered device, has been updated by OneNetbook. OneNetbook earlier unveiled the RX-78-2 Gundam Special Edition models powered by the Core i7-1260p and AMD Ryzen 7 5800U. OneNetbook chose not to sell the RX-78-2 Gundam Special Edition model internationally for one reason or another, but the company has now successfully accomplished this with the ONEXPLAYER Mini Pro, although with a change in display resolution. OneNetbook has specifically chosen to swap the 1920 by 1200 pixel display found in the previous ONEXPLAYER Mini PC for a more traditional 1280 by 800 pixel display. Aside from that, the ONEXPLAYER Mini Pro's Core i7-1260p cannot play most AAA games smoothly at 1200p, so going from a 1200p display to an 800p one would theoretically be a downgrade. The Core i7-1260p performs better than the Core i7-1195 G7 in CPU-intensive tasks. Iris-Xe graphics G7 IGPUs with 96 execution units are used by both, though. Thus, there isn't going to be a significant performance increase during gaming when switching from the ONEXPLAYER Mini to the ONEXPLAYER Mini Pro. Compared to the LPDDR4X4266 RAM on the Mini, the addition of LPDDR5 to 5200 RAM might enhance performance in several areas. The ONEXPLAYER Mini Pro, which has 16 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of storage, is currently available for pre-order from OneNetbook for $1,399. The device is also available from the firm for $1,589, with a 2 TB SSD and the same amount of RAM. It is important to keep in mind that these are pre-sale costs. Eventually, they will increase to $1,459 and $1,649, respectively. The ONEXPLAYER Small Pro is available in black or white finishes. For an additional $59 and $29, you may add a foldable Bluetooth keyboard or a black protective case. The company's website has further information about the ONEXPLAYER Tiny Pro. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. Have a nice day and see you soon.